Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your internet connection has stopped working when your mobile hotspot is turned on position or enabled. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung airplane mode, and then click mo lang to open. Alright, so madirect tayo dito sa airplane mode settings. So, ang next step ay kailangan lang dapat naka-turn off ito. Okay, so dito sa right side, kailangan i-turn off mo siya. Alright, so ang next step, dito lang sa network and internet, so click mo lang siya. And then scroll down lang tayo at select mo lang itong advanced network settings. So, view all network adapters and network reset. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa advanced network settings, and then dito lang sa more settings, under nito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung network reset. So, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So, i-click mo lang ito. Alright, so dito sa network reset, so this will remove then reinstall all network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall or other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So, ang next step, dito lang sa network reset, dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo na click tong reset now. And then network reset. So, are you sure want to reset your network settings? So, i-click mo lang itong yes. Right, so you're about to be signed out. So, close lang natin yan. And then, close lang natin dito. At dito lang sa start menu, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix Wi-Fi stop with mobile hotspot is turned on in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.